Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Holland Bamboo, one of the most popular places in St. Elizabeth. Now, as you can see, Hurricane Melissa caused severe damage to the Holland Bamboo area. This area used to be covered with bamboo. The bamboo on the left and the right would grow over the road, well, on top of the road, and the cars would drive underneath it, similar to like what you're seeing in this section here. And as you can see, there is severe damage here. Now, the good thing is we're told that the bamboo will grow back over time. So we're just going to give you an update as to what happened here. Hurricane Melissa caused major damage to one of Jamaica's most iconic natural landmarks, Holland Bamboo in St. Elizabeth. Powerful winds snapped and uprooted the tall bamboo plants that once formed the famous Green Tunnel, leaving large sections collapsed and the roadway exposed. What was once a scenic, shaded corridor was reduced to fallen stalks and debris, disrupting travel and changing the landscape almost overnight. The destruction of Holland Bamboo goes beyond environmental change. The area was a popular stop for tourists and a source of income for nearby vendors and communities. Its loss highlights how Hurricane Melissa affected not just homes and infrastructure, but also Jamaica's cultural and natural heritage. While bamboo is known to grow back quickly, restoring Holland bamboo will take time, cleanup efforts, and careful management as the country continues its broader hurricane recovery. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.